In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a person to be seen by all on Zoom. By the end, you'll know exactly how to highlight a speaker so their video stays front and center, making meetings, classes, or webinars easier to follow. Start by heading to the Zoom website or opening the Zoom desktop app. If you're using a browser, go to the official Zoom site and launch the app from there. If you're prompted, sign in with your usual account so you can access your meetings without interruption. Next, join an existing meeting or start your own. You can do this by clicking a meeting link you've been given, entering a meeting ID, or selecting New Meeting if you're the one hosting. Once you're in the meeting room and you can see the video tiles, you're ready to set up the view. Look toward the bottom of the Zoom window for the main toolbar. If it isn't visible, move your mouse or tap your trackpad to make it appear. You'll see familiar controls like mute, start video, share screen, and more. This toolbar is where you'll find the panel you need to manage who appears prominently. Click Participants to open the participant panel. This slides in on the right side of the window and lists everyone currently in the meeting. It's helpful to expand the panel so you can easily scroll and find the person you want to feature. Find the participant you want to highlight in that list. Hover your cursor over their name to reveal controls. You'll notice a More option appear next to their name. If you prefer, you can also hover over their video tile in the main meeting window. This typically shows a similar set of options attached to their video. Click More to open the menu of available actions for that participant. This menu includes several controls that affect how you and, depending on your role and settings, others view the meeting. Choose Add Pin. This locks that person's video into a prominent position for your view. In many setups, hosts and co-hosts can use this to ensure the featured speaker stays visible. Keep in mind that account permissions and meeting settings can affect who sees the pinned video. If your goal is to make one person visible to everyone, verify your role and settings in advance, as some organizations use spotlighting for a meeting-wide view. That's it. If you ever want to change focus, return to the same menu to remove the pin or select a different participant. This simple adjustment can make your meetings clearer, keep attention on the right speaker, and create a smoother experience for everyone.